like this with that. Fun. Hi, ladies. It's fall, and we couldn't wait to wear our snuggly sweaters, but we are very excited for the holidays. Now, we're talking about like Christmas, Hanukkah, after Thanksgiving, where we get to decorate. Now, it's not even Halloween yet, and maybe it's because the stores have witches and pumpkins next to the Christmas trees. I don't know, but we're ready for the holiday. So for our open house, we have all kinds of specials, all kinds of fun things, and we're gonna start by showing you a little bit of our new jewelry that came in. So we've got the girls here, and right here Cheryl has on Jeff Lieb. Now this is beautiful handmade jewelry. Yes, it has bling, or you can get it just with pearls. It comes in all different styles, and it comes in different metal colors. Jeff has these neat little rubber necklaces that have a magnet, which is really fun and easy to use. It just adds a statement piece for your holiday dress up. And here we have one. We're just showing it with kind of like a little blue jean look, little sweater, but a lot of bling. Really, really fun. We added a couple little wood and metal looking bracelets. These make great gifts. These will be at our open house. Here's another little piece. Not so blingy, but really a fun artistic piece. Now, this nice little piece with the stones, this brings you good, what is it, good chi and good, yes, with all the crystals. This is my favorite. Jeff Lee makes magnet earrings. Check it out.
Oh, yeah, wow.
There you go. Then you adjust it. How's
great.
that, right? Now, we have two different companies here. Jeff Lieb, we searched and really went through all his things with a fine-tooth comb because some of his pieces are over $200. All of ours are under $100. Well, no, except for two necklaces. And those are just a little bit over $100. But they start around $45 for earrings and so forth, and then they go up from there. So stop in to our open house and party with us because we're real excited. Bye.